And then the next customer wanted they wanted a pink and green light up ball, which we have one of these left. So I'm gonna put that up on the counter. Perfect. Alright. And then the next thing that they wanted was a pig squishy. Alright. Okay, so I'm gonna put that on the counter. Here we are. Alright. Okay. And the next thing they wanted was a croissant, which is here. Put that on the counter for them. Alright. And the last thing that they wanted was a cake squishy, so I'm just going to put that on the counter too, with the other squishies. Alright, and then this customer wanted these last three. Good. So the customer's just gone with the other items that they wanted. So and then put them on the counter, and then I think all of the squishies have been sold. Alright, good. Alright.